Our GitHub bot just got a job offer. Found you on GitHub, and we believe you might be interested in our Go developer opening. Even a bot has more job offers than me. Looking at programming memes. Laughing. Actually coding. Crying.
Why must you hurt me in this way?
My FBI agent seeing me Google how to center a div. My FBI agent seeing me Google how to center a div after 15 years. Developers when they get asked to go back to the office after the pandemic. Please accept this letter as my formal resignation from my position. Am I testing my code, or is it testing me? Turns out you were never the one in control. 20% of US bandwidth is used by Netflix, the rest is used by npm install. Not everyone should code. Recommended for you.
That's a lot of damage!
Wait, it's all C libraries underneath my favorite language. Always has been. Chrome uses 500 megabytes to open 3 tabs. Python uses 10 gigabytes to parse a 50 megabyte XML file. Dad, I want to start learning C, but I'm confused about the development environment. Any tips on where to start? That's correct, you're supposed to be confused. You're on the right track, Dad. Assembly developers be like, if you wish to make an apple pie from scratch, you must first invent the universe. You don't eat or sleep, you hate the sunlight. I know what you are. Say it out loud, say it. Programmer.
You're goddamn right.
Pointer. Data type. Semicolon. Me. Python. You cannot add a freaking extra space, because this is the rule. Money doesn't matter, rich people. Looks doesn't matter, attractive people. Warnings doesn't matter, programming people. I would like to say thanks to the person that taught me programming. University professors. Sit the frick back down, I ain't talking about you. YouTube. What about Stack Overflow? Dev it fastly, I'll just push this small change to production. Dev it fastly 2 seconds later. Did stuff. 10,627 changed files.
That's the evilest thing I can imagine!
If the Linux kernel can be made via freaking mailing list, then I'm pretty sure your startup can manage to make a website or whatever remotely. I might have figured out how to fix that bug. Shut up, I'm sleeping. Goddamn brain. He is fellow collaborator, he is pain in the ass. I add new file to repository, he adds new file to repository. I commit new changes, he commits new changes. I push my commits, he has to resolve merge conflicts. Great success. Just use the forceful mayo. We only hire the top 10% of developers. So you'll pay 10% salaries, right? Yeah, we pay 10% of the minimum wage salaries. I'm going to store a lot of structured data. In a database, right? In a database, right? I like men who take risks. I'm betting my entire career on a JavaScript framework created by Facebook. What most people think AI is like. What it actually is. Hey, don't king shame people. Yo mama's so fat, she can't save files bigger than 4 gigabytes. Do you write SQL in uppercase or lowercase? Why do you prefer to do it that way? Uppercase for some reason. I am scared of writing SQL in lowercase. Don't risk your life. I'm going to push to production. All the tests are green, right? All the tests are green, right? Yo, relax, it's gonna be fine. Finally, a monitor that will fit the entire name of my Java classes. Not C++ template errors though. You'll need a second monitor for that one. When you have to implement a new feature into legacy code. Why does Amazon use NoSQL databases? They're not allowed unions. Get better at programming. Make fewer errors. The errors you do make are harder to find. The errors you do make are harder to find. What's new? Bug fix. The app won't crash anymore. Developer before Ovid. Developer during Ovid. Developer after the vaccine. Oh, so you're a computer scientist? Fix my printer. Hack government database. Reading documentation in 10 minutes and then coding the solution. Coding first, and then debugging it for 10 hours. That's the way. Others, why do you always use ij variables in loops? Programmers, it's the law? Java was released in 1995. Python was released in 1991. Me who finally solved that bug. Thanks guys. The 300 print statements I added in for debugging, so long partner. Mom, don't touch your computer and mobile until your exams are over. Me studying software engineering. How coffee works. Coffee. Magic. Code. When you're hired. When you see the code. Your boss catches you doing nothing. Panic. You say you're compiling. Come. You work with Python. Panic. When you're reminded you wrote the world's biggest social network in PHP. It's been 2 hours, have you finished that story? While sitting in this same meeting that I gave the estimate? When you fix it for the 3rd time and still it appears somehow in production. Bug. Me. More like vice versa. Guys literally only want one thing and it's freaking disgusting. Compiled with 0 errors and 0 warnings. Like that's ever going to happen. When you are following a video tutorial, copy the whole code but it doesn't work. Perfectly working code whenever you're about to show it to someone for the first time. Computer science students. Year 1 print hello world. Year 2, data structures, DBMS, operating system. Year 3, I wanna go home. Me who once made a calculator in Python. How do you do, fellow programmers? Teacher, I've only got 7 hours of sleep. College students, 7 hours? We get 3. Doctors, we go 1 whole day without sleep. Programmers, wait till you guys sleep. Honey, tell me what's wrong. It's faster to say World Wide Web than www. I'm a good programmer. Show me a piece of code you're proud of. My boss, okay everyone, time to return to the office. Me.
No, I don't think I will.
Working as a software engineer, what my boss thinks I'm doing. What my friends think I'm doing. What my mom thinks I'm doing. What I'm actually doing. 90% of code comment be like, cat. Day 1 of programming. Regex for email validation. 10 years of programming. Regex for email validation. Whoa! You made it to the end. Here's some meme juice for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily meme juice. Also, check out the description for more juicy meme videos. See ya!